Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set Nokia keypad mobile message alert sound. Friends, you want to set message alert sound in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use sound and vibration setting in Nokia keypad mobile. First of all, open your Nokia keypad mobile phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, select your personalized setting. Welcome note, second option, select your sound setting. Press OK button. Ringtone, you can set ringtone, you can change ringtone in Nokia keypad mobile. If you click here, so you can select your ringtone sound and you can change your ringtone sound. Select ringtone sound will change. Message alert sound you want to use, you want to set in your Nokia keypad mobile. Select here, you can select and you can change ringtone sound and you can set message 1, calendar 2, message 2. Select your message alert sound will change in set in your keypad mobile. So friends, I post the video. So friends, now continue, open your sound setting and you can use your message alert sound, ringtone sound, vibration setting you want to turn on, so you can turn on vibration setting. Notification alert setting you can on. Volume you can increase, you can silent your keypad mobile. Keypad volume you can, right side you can increase your keypad volume and you can off your keypad volume. So like that friends, you can use sound setting in your Nokia keypad mobile. Again you want to set, so you can set and you can change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Now do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in ringtone and message sound setting, vibration setting in Nokia keypad mobile, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.